Planning to explore Portland, but don't want to carry your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a fast, safe, and reliable solution to store your bags while you enjoy the city. In this guide, I'll show you how to deposit your luggage at a Radical Storage point in Portland. Radical Storage is a trusted platform that partners with local businesses like cafes, hotels, and shops, ensuring that your luggage is stored securely and fully insured. To find a storage point in Portland, use the secure link in the description to access the official Radical Storage website and avoid any phishing attempts. Once on the website, type Portland into the search bar and choose from a list of available locations across the city. Select the storage location most convenient for you, whether near popular landmarks, transit stations, or downtown Portland. Choose your preferred drop-off and pickup times, and proceed to a secure payment process through Radical Storage's platform. After completing the booking, you'll receive a reference number and directions to the selected storage point. Upon arrival, show the reference number to the staff, and now store your bags securely. Now you can explore Portland without any luggage worries, knowing your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.